Hey, Bronco Fanatics, Keith with Rising Phoenix Bronco here with a quick update on what we're working on. And what are we working on? Turn signal buckets to start with. We've already done the headlights. My existing turn signal buckets, well, 60 years old and eaten by rats. So time for some new ones. Ordered them from Wild Horses. Well made. Come with the nuts. The wiring harness works. How do I know? Already put in the passenger side one. Only issue I have is I have a 68 which comes clear lens and there's supposed to be a yellow bulb inside. The bulb inside is clear. Is it a deal breaker? No. Would I buy them again? Yes. They're well made. They're good. If you need them, order them. They look good. What else have we done? Oh, PCV. This is connected. Vacuum booster to the master brake cylinder is done. Did the throttle position sensor on the Phytech and got the Phytech all mounted. The sensor comes from US Shift. Literally undid a clip that exists on the Phytech. Clip, back in, run the wire. Good to go. Highly recommend it. Nicely done. Air cleaner. God, that seems big. It's from Drake. I like it because it matches the valve covers and the air breather. So it'll grow on me. I'm sure I'm just not used to it. What else have we done? Exhaust system. Mocked it all up. Got it all up and going. I'll probably do a separate video on that. Just need to know that my transmission, because the 4R70W sits 2 inches further back, it was hitting a couple spots. Friend of my son is a certified welder. He's gonna get that all fixed up. We'll update you as that is done. Got the twin stick in from Tom's up there in Oregon. Really like it. It looks good. It's a little loose right now because you have to have somebody on the passenger side hold the nut while you tighten it from the driver's side, or vice versa. My arms just aren't long enough to reach around and do all that. Little blue tape on the bottom here is to remind me underneath the seat. We are going to put the Durale transmission cooler in. That'll be done this week. Going to start on that here shortly. And we've got to put fluids in, transmission, oil, all that good stuff, connect the fuel lines. The only thing that was a shocker this week is I'm going through the box. I find a bag that says torque converter nuts, and there's 2 nuts in there. I had forgotten when I put this all together because it was hanging from a hoist. I didn't have the ability to torque it so that the torque converter rotated. 2 of the nuts were missing. Holy cow, if I had started this engine without those being bolted on, bad things would have happened. So we're working away. We'll update you as things go on. Hope you guys all have a blessed day. Take care.